Hey everyone, I'm Brian. This is As Is Design Works, and I'm here in the workshop today because yesterday I showed off this cool piece of equipment. This is the rotary power conversion unit that we needed to power our new lathe. And yeah, so this massive thing, all those capacitors and this big old motor, we're going to take and install them. We're going to walk down here. We're going to install them. Yeah, everything's a mess in here because I have to get a bunch of cable up in the ceiling here, down to this box here, and we put that rotary conversion unit in here, run a bunch more cable over there to this, the new Warner & Swasey #2 turret lathe. This piece of American might from 1940 has made hundreds of thousands of parts for motocross bikes. It's made parts for our Jeep Cherokee linkages. In fact, that's why we got it. These center rods in particular, right here, we've made hundreds and hundreds of them on this machine. Why? They were made for us, but I had the chance to run this machine not too long before we moved it and use this tool changer operation here. Isn't that cool? To thread the parts that you see in here and to get everything running. And then we have hundreds and hundreds of cool other bits, tools, and accessories to go through and, well, honestly, I have to figure out what some of this does because this machine is from well before I was born. It's got a 2-pole motor. It's got an oil feed motor. It's got a bar feed motor. So this right here moves back and forth, opens up these jaws and allows stock to be fed in from that side over to here. 12-foot long stainless steel rods like this. We take them and turn them into linkages. We're going to be doing a lot more on this machine, and a lot of that is going to come after. Not only do I finalize the designs, but I do a lot of reading because this is the operator's manual, originally published in 1940. This is the 4th edition. From Warner & Swasey. People made this machine. Back in the day, companies really wanted you to be knowledgeable on the equipment they were using. This has diagrams. You can take apart half the machine from this. Very cool stuff. And I could not do this without all of you out there because a couple months ago, people asked us to put up a page for donations and asked how they could throw a couple dollars our way, saw how things were going. It hasn't been great, and I think a lot of American companies, especially Jeep companies out there, went under. We're still open, we're still making parts here, and we're going to be making a lot more parts. Not only that, but we're going to be teaching on this equipment and more. We have another lathe over there. We have several drill presses, saws, CNC equipment, everything you can think of. We're going to try to educate people on how you can use old tools to still make cool new stuff. And I have to thank all of you for the opportunity to do this. So thank you very much. Again, I'm Azzy. This is teamadw.com, Azzy's Design Works. Check us out. Check out the stuff we make, and check out our videos. We're going to do a lot more here. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.